Hello everyone, welcome back. In this part of the feature series, we are continuing inside the live demo project, and now we are focusing on traffic signs, street infrastructure assets, and the alternate overview experience. Let's start by enabling traffic signs and mapillary objects. As you can see on the map, the detected signs and infrastructure assets start appearing. These are AI-detected features extracted from imagery. But what makes this powerful is not just seeing them on the map. It is how you can interact with them. For example, when you click on any traffic sign or street asset, the widget immediately shows you which image frame contains that object as an AI overlay. Inside the viewer, the detected object is highlighted so you can clearly see how the AI segmentation captured it. In 3D mode, this becomes even more impressive. When you select a feature, you will notice a fly animation that smoothly navigates the scene and reorients the camera toward north. This helps you maintain spatial awareness and understand the object's position in the real world. Inside the widget UI, the detected object is displayed with a yellow bounding box and a yellow label. This makes it very easy to identify which element is being referenced. You can also see alternative frames listed, meaning different images where the same sign or asset was detected. This allows you to compare how the AI segmentation captured the object from different angles or at different times. Additionally, you can filter traffic signs or objects using the filter buttons. This helps it narrow down specific categories and makes large datasets easier to explore. When you click on a feature, you can also see metadata, such as the added date and the last seen date. This is extremely useful for inspection workflows, asset monitoring, and change detection scenarios. Now let's talk about something more technical, but very important. There is a zoom threshold at level 16. Before reaching level 16, traffic signs and objects are served as vector tile assets for performance reasons. They are optimized for fast rendering at broader scales. Once you zoom closer than level 16, the data transitions from WMS visualization to WFS features. At this level, the signs become fully clickable features with richer interaction. This gives you both performance at small scales and detailed interaction at large scales. And finally, when you are zoomed in beyond that threshold, you can use the export button to download all visible signs or objects in GeoJSON format. This file is ready to be opened directly in ArcGIS, QGIS, or any other GIS application. So the widget is not just a viewer, it also becomes a data extraction tool. So in this video, we have moved from basic visualization into advanced object interaction, AI segmentation review, filtering, metadata inspection, scalable rendering strategies, and data export. This is where the Mapillary Explorer really becomes powerful for analysis, inspection, and professional GIS workflows. Let's continue exploring more capabilities in the next video.